Hey, have you been to a rodeo? According to the dictionary, it is an exhibition or contest in which cowboys share their skill at riding broncos, roping cars, wrestling steers, etc. Well, what about the cowgirls? Don't they like being ridden too? I'm as confused as a cock riding a pussy backwards doggy style on an ass. This is Chris from Munch, and this is Interspecies Erotica. Fast food fight. The show where I review fast food items and try and replicate the results by reducing the cost. Imagine a cheesy cheeseburger, flame grilled, 100% Australian beef and a slice of cheese topped off with lashings of mayo and barbecue sauce, all on a toasted sesame seed bun. As per usual, the burger looks meh, but hey, who's complaining for $3? And while you're here, make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Yes, it tastes good, but the meat's a bit spongy on the bun, and it's a normal sized bun, so nothing really special about this. But let's get cracking. Let's start by putting wax paper down and adding some white pepper, and then giving it a good crack of salt. Roll your patty out so it's about a centimetre thicker than the bun. It will shrink. Next, place your patty on medium-high heat on your grill. The next thing you want to do is put about a tablespoon's worth of vegetable oil into a pan and give it a good swish around just so you're fully lubricated. Next, you're going to add some onion rings. Now the burger has 2 in there. I'm going to use maybe about 3 and use the rest as a side dish. I'm using pre-packaged onion rings. You can make your own if you want. It's really easy. Now you're going to put these on like a medium-high heat and give them about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the power of your cooktop. Now grab your bread roll and make sure you cut down the center seam. Once you're done with that, jump over to your grill and switch it to high heat. So now it's time to sear your patty. Now the trick is, once you start to see the moisture appear on the top, flip it over and move it around the griddle a bit. Now you want to sear the heat in, and that there is where you get the smoky flavour from. And once almost done, give the patty another flip, then add your bun to the grill and switch off the heat. If your grill has a hood, use it. The heat from the grill should toast the bun and allow the meat to rest, so leave it for about a minute. While you're waiting, go and flip your onion rings. Start with the heel of the bun. Now add your patty. Add some cheese. Add about 2 tablespoons worth of barbecue sauce, because lashings just aren't enough. Next, you want to go and add your onion rings. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Count them, 3. Yep. Then grab the crown of your bun and go and add your mayonnaise. Again, don't be spongy. This is your burger. Make it how you want it. And believe me when I say this combination of mayonnaise, that smoky barbecue sauce, the onion rings, the beef fillet that's been flame grilled, the cheese, it all amalgamates together to be a divine taste, so you've got to at least try this one. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make. It looks, smells and tastes divine. I'm sure you all want to know how much it costs? Go on, take a guess. That's right, you can thank me later for it. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. This is scary.